name is Najdad Moslehi, founder CEO of SigmaGen in Palo Alto. What can we use when we need uninterrupted electricity, but we don't have access to the grid or the grid is down? The existing options actually impose some major constraints and limitations. Diesel generators are fuel dependent, maintenance heavy, and they are polluting. On the other side, traditional solar typically underperforms in real world operating conditions. And these are all actually large and heavy, relatively large and heavy, and they provide relatively expensive electricity. They are expensive. So what we do at SigmaGen, we eliminate these problems and the customer pain points. Our solutions, which are solar-based, very unique solar-based, are fuel and maintenance independent, so we eliminate those costs. And we provide the least form of electricity in our target applications. We have a very innovative, unique feature for vertical deployment, which actually enables co-location in existing infrastructure and with little land use. High power capacity in very compact, lightweight and portable units, scalable, easy on-demand, rapid deployment, and actually we are able to also provide solutions that are islandable distributed energy generation microgrids for applications that are mission critical for uninterrupted electricity supply. So our technology platform is actually well developed based on significant prior development that we have done, IP protected with a strong portfolio of patents. And basically we have three pillars for our technology. One is our three-dimensional slatted bifacial architecture for vertically deployable solar generation modules. These are very high power density, high energy density modules, and they provide extreme degree of compaction for ease of portability. We actually have developed our own smart power management chip with our semiconductor partner, and every module actually uses an array of these chips for maximizing electricity generation in real world conditions in real time. And combined with that, we have our integration with storage and system controller, and actually this also provides capability for IoT-based data analytics for performance of the systems in the field. So we actually have identified large, diversified, underserved markets for SigmaGen products, and these markets provide excellent pricing power and market penetration opportunity for SigmaGen. One area is applications where high degree of portability is required. Actually, our residential solution is in that category. The other one is actually a range of industrial applications that we replace diesel generation. And the third group is actually deployments in existing infrastructure, co-location with existing infrastructure, which includes applications like distributed energy generation in industrial buildings. And actually, we have recently secured $2.2 million of commercial purchase orders from our early customers, energy EPC company, and also a major telecom company for deployment on telecom tower. So really the telecom-based solution is expandable to deployment of resilient islandable microgrids for a range of applications where you need power in mission-critical applications for uninterrupted power supply. So based on significant prior development, we have now fully qualified the system architecture and bill of materials. All of our products are produced by a single contract manufacturer. We are a fabless, capital light company. We do have a chip foundry partnership in place with our semiconductor partner, which is also a shareholder in SigmaGen. And all of the components are qualified, and we are well engaged with our supply chain. Because of the contract manufacturing and fabless capital-light model, our time to market is actually quite fast. So we are actually raising a seed round, $1.5 million in this round. And the proceeds we are using for completion of productization engineering and transition to revenue through fulfillment of the existing starting purchase orders will be in revenue in less than 8 months. So we have been building actually a known and experienced team of high performers with proven track records in building technology startups, including liquidity, successful liquidity events, and also building successful commercial products. So just to summarize, we are raising $1.5 million in this round. This is our first external round of financing to transition to revenue within 8 or 9 months. We do have initial external market traction and customer traction with $2.2 million of purchase orders in hand, and just taking the telecom space along with the first couple of customers that we are engaged, that represents a $50 million plus opportunity over the next 3 years to SigmaGen. We are a capital-light fabless company. We are already engaged with our contract manufacturing partners, and we have highly differentiated products with strong IP protection and portfolio, and a great team. So I'll stop here and answer any questions you have. Thank you.
Okay, time for one question.